If you are still new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated of my new videos. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to install XAMPP into your Windows 11 working station and make it as your local web server. Okay, first thing to do is we need to download our XAMPP installer. So we need to open our browser. Any browser will do as long as you have your internet connection working. Okay. So type in the address bar XAMPP and click enter. So this will return a list of results, and look for the official Apache website and click download. So in my case here, I've seen it. Then click download. Okay. It will redirect you to the official Apache website. Okay. So on the Apache website, navigate to download here, and it will return a list of available XAMPP installer. As you can see, there are versions for XAMPP for Windows, for Linux, and OS X. But in this tutorial, we will be downloading XAMPP for Windows. Okay, you may select from the available versions, but in my case, I have selected 8.0.30. Okay, and then download. It is a 64-bit. So in my case, I have already downloaded mine since it will really take times downloading. Okay. So once you are done downloading, we need to locate and install the downloaded files. So in my case, I already have it in my temp folder. And to install the installer, you only have to double click or to run, and then just follow the instructions. Okay. Okay. So welcome to XAMPP setup wizard, and just click next. So in this case, it is a default. Okay, XAMPP will install the following: MySQL, the Apache. Okay, but you have your options if you are going to download, or if you want to download the MySQL, the FTP server, mail server, Tomcat, Perl, and so on and so forth. Okay, so just let it be. So next. So XAMPP will be installed on this directory. Okay, C and then XAMPP. It will create its own directory. Okay, next, and then language will be English, and next. So let's wait until it's finished installing. The best thing with XAMPP is that it's an all-in-one application. Okay, you already have your MySQL, you already have your PHP server, Perl, or and then the FTP server, and so on and so forth. Okay, you don't need to install a separate MySQL server for your database, and then at the same time you don't need to install PHP server for your PHP to run. Okay, so we're done. Some setup wizard is complete, so setup has finished installing SAP on your computer. Do you want to start control panel now? And then just click finish. And after that, this is the control panel of the SAP. Okay, so you have your options if you want to start your Apache, your MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. But for the meantime, let's check if our SAMP is working. So let's click Apache start. Port 80 in use by unable to open process with PID 4. Apache will not start without the configure ports free. You need to uninstall disable reconfigure. So the problem is that port 80 has already been used by some applications. So we need to assign another port for our Apache. So just click config, then click Apache httpd.conf and look for the port number. So we have here our Apache is already listening to the port 80. So since port 80 is not available, so we need to change this one. So let's try 888. Okay, then save. Let's try to start again. And do you want to allow public private networks? Just allow it. And it's already running. It is already running under port 443 and 888. So you can check your Apache by this URL. Okay, localhost colon 8888. Since we assigned our new port number is 888, and then the dashboard. So that's it. That's all for this tutorial and guides, and thank you for watching.